Stop.
Please begin scanning.
Duh.
Okay, so,
Cut. He's the worst person on camera.
Why would you-
Look, listen. Alright.
I don't know what you want me to say. We're about to fucking shotgun this gazpacho because y'all gave us 15 likes.
And we're gonna... Alright, guys.
Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Okay.
Thanks so...
You speaking?
Speaking.
Thanks for the 15 likes.
Why did you fucking...
Thanks.
Alright, guys. Thanks for 15 likes.
Thanks for the 15 likes. Now we got a shotgun gazpacho, cause this shit's foul. Ingredients: we got tomatoes, peppers, onions, and cucumbers, extra virgin olive oil, salt, wine vinegar, garlic, and spices.
Yeah, shake before serving. Okay, we can't shotgun it because it's glass. But we would have shotgunned it. Said we're gonna drink it.
Should I peel
instead.
this naked?
That's what I'm doing.
Like,
Oh my god, then you can see the inside. Fucking nasty. Dude, if I don't finish it, don't be mad at me, please.
That's not true.
This is so much!
Fuck this.
Why is it this much in here?
Fuck this.
Who would ever eat this much gazpacho?
Who would ever want this?
Oh, it opened already. That was too easy.
Oh, are we getting like a little smell testing?
It doesn't smell like bad, it just doesn't smell good.
Oh, it smells like.
I'm gonna throw up.
It smells like a pizzeria.
Yeah, we used to work at a pizza place together.
So we would know what a pizzeria smells like.
God. Whoa, don't go
Yeah,
there.
definitely. Oh, I already feel the throw up coming. Like, I already feel it coming up inside. Like, I don't want to do this. I'm probably gonna get to like right here and call it quits. Like, it's gonna be bad.
Should we stand up?
I don't want to.
No, we got to.
Oh.
We gotta stand up and make this up. So.
Hashtag hustle, let's go.
I gotta. This is my throw up area, so I'm gonna throw. You know what I'm saying?
They're straight. No, okay.
Closer.
Are you ready?
Gazpacho.
Are you ready? Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
All right.
Oh,
Gazpacho time.
It's gazpacho time.
All right. It's bros.
To bros. Dude, that's fucking disgusting. That's gross, bro. I didn't even drink any of it, bro. That's disgusting. That's so bad.
I got my fucking chew.
If I drink any more, I'm gonna... Bro. That's fucking gross, man.
Go ahead.
One of y'all has to finish it.
There's no way any of us are finishing this, bro. Do you want to try it?
Might as well throw this video out then.
No. It's disgusting.
Sparkly move, please.
Dude, I can't get the taste on my mouth. Oh, I'm gonna plug my nose into it.
All right, Jake. I think Walker's out, but let's see what
Dude,
you
I'm
got
gonna
in
throw
you.
up, I swear
I
I'm
knew I was
throw
gonna
up.
throw up. That was not a good idea.
Stop talking, please. Please stop talking.
Brew, help me.
No, dude, that's so gross. I can't do it. I can't do it, man. That's disgusting.
It's the most disgusting thing I've ever had in my life.
Whoever likes gazpacho,
Yeah.
just unsubscribe because
Yeah.
that's disgusting.
Oh my god. It's like fat. It's like glass of milk, but it's not milk. It's gazpacho. Oh my god, that taste is just so bad. It's literally just in your throat and like as soon as it hit my taste buds, I was like, this is
Dude,
not
yes.
gonna end well.
I tell you,
Like, this is not going to end well. And I was trying to just gulp it down.
He's
bro,
got a
because
decent
I was gonna,
amount.
but then I was-
Jake's drank like 0.2.
Bro,
Like I said,
I'm scared
I don't want to.
of gazpacho.
No.
I should.
Chuck that shit.
Chuck that, bro.
Chuck that shit. Should we? Should we chuck them? Yeah.
I'm gonna save it for later.
This is awful. Don't try this at home.
Please don't. This
Please.
video sucked.
It was awful. It's a terrible idea. Don't know why we even had the thought. Or why
15
we
likes,
even
dude.
had the thought.
15
Fuck
likes.
you, bro. You didn't have to do it. Fuck, dude. Our YouTube
I'm gonna
channel
throw
is
up
going
again.
down the drain.
I'm gonna throw up again. Like, it literally smells like a pizzeria.
It tastes even worse than that. It tastes even worse than it smells.
Oh, dude, I just got the chills from smelling it, bro.
It
How
smells like a
thick is it?
pizzeria, right? Yeah. That shit's thick.
I'm sorry you guys had to do that.
Burping off it, bro. It's disgusting.
All right. Well, thanks for the likes. If you liked the video, subscribe.
Yeah, sorry we are disappointments.
All right, but thanks for watching the video.
Yeah, thank you.
Subscribe, share with your friends, tell everyone, tell your mama, your brother, your daddy,
Oh.
whoever.
I can't.
Get us out there. Oh, shit.
How do we do this?
All right. Peace.
These pussy nigga presents. What? Yeah. How my niggas gonna be present? Yeah. Bitch, I'm ready like a present. Yeah.